Good evening, folks. This is Bobby from Duran News Channel 1 bringing you a shocking and unbelievable story tonight. But before we dive into the details, a quick shout out to our amazing viewers. We're so close to hitting our subscriber goal. So if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that button now. Now, on to the news. In a bizarre and deeply concerning turn of events, Domino's Pizza has found itself at the center of a scandal that has left customers and authorities reeling. Reports have surfaced that several pieces from various Domino's outlets across the nation were infused with methamphetamine. That's right, you heard it correctly, meth-laced pizzas. The first incident was reported in downtown Springfield, where a family fell seriously ill after consuming a pizza. Subsequent investigations revealed traces of methamphetamine in the pizza dough. Authorities swiftly launched a nationwide probe, uncovering similar cases in other cities, including New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. The health officials are urging anyone who has recently purchased a pizza from Domino's to be on high alert and report any unusual symptoms immediately. Meanwhile, Domino's corporate office issued a statement expressing their deep concern and promising full cooperation with the investigation. The motive behind this alarming act remains unclear, but initial theories suggest it could be the work of a rogue employee or an external sabotage. Law enforcement agencies are working tirelessly to get to the bottom of this. As always, we at Duran News Channel 1 will keep you updated with the latest developments. And remember, folks, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, we're just a few clicks away from our next milestone. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep watching Duran News Channel 1.